Yeah, this is what was going to be the cycle lane. This is the old one here. This is the one that goes to Crawley down that way. Over here, East Grinstead. And this is what's known as St Margaret's Loop. And on this sign, there used to be a sign stuck on the back of here saying to the hospital and to the other side of East Grinstead. But that's gone now, they took that off. It used to go between the high level station and the low level station at East Grinstead. It's absolutely beautiful today. I think the only person to come along here this morning. Lovely snow. There's a lot of trees fallen down here. It's quite beautiful actually. It's over the first tree. Distance, you can just about see what's Park Road Bridge. Yeah, it's a Park Road Bridge, this one. A bit closer to it. And it's, I used to walk over this every day to school when I used to go to Imbolghorn School and my primary school as well. It's all full of graffiti and traffic cones. Traffic cones, there seem to be everywhere here. Yeah, there's some quite nice graffiti, if you like art. Some good stuff up there. And it's in reasonable condition. There's a nice picture of Piggy over there, look. Yeah, pig. They added a section to the bridge to make it wider a few years ago. It's like a concrete bit. All the way along. Right, let's see what we can do about the ice then, because that looks a bit... yeah, a bit mucky. Yeah, I'll work out how to get around this. Yeah, more traffic cones. More icy water. I found the ridge in the middle here, so it's kind of up through these sticks. Little twigs and things. See if we can get through here, shall we? Let's just keep on going. More sticks and trees. It's been used as a bit of a dumping ground over the last few years, so shopping trolleys, the classic shopping trolley there. Lovely. Here it is. Brilliant. And a bit of a old wheelbarrow or something. A bit of fencing. Toy car. And some gas bottles. Gas bottles always handy. Except on a railway line that's derelict. And looks like we're a bit blocked up here because the trees have all fallen down. Yeah. Let's see if we can get past this. God. A bit overgrown compared to when the trains used to run. Yeah, that's one of the old drains. There's must have still been left and not got blocked up. That's when I was a kid. They took tons and tons of the old rubble from here old track bedding, and the lorries all got stuck down here because it got so muddy after a while, and they started at the wrong end, and the lorries kept going back over the mud again instead of riding over the nice hard track bed. They got to about here somewhere before they gave up, and yeah, lorry after lorry was coming along here and taking all the old track and sleepers, etc. There's more stuff up here. Yeah, old rubbish bins. Nice, hey? Another traffic cone, hey? Traffic cone city. A railwayman's hut. That was a little concrete building. I remember when I was a kid, they used to have some drawings in there. They were made of charcoal and bits of coal. And nice drawings on the walls. Little cartoons. Yeah, this is where the massive brickwork abutment here to hold the side of the holds the side of the bank up. As we're just approaching the A22 now, this is the London road through the centre of East Grinstead, and someone's been dumping car tyres here. Nice. We love car tyres, don't we? Dumped in the middle of everywhere. An old tank of some sort, I don't know what that is. Some kind of thing. More trees across here. There's a bridge. It's the A22. Can you hear the traffic? Making quite a bit of noise up there. More traffic cones. Another pig. And a whole load of shopping trolleys. And this bridge is in pretty good condition, obviously, because there's a load of traffic going over there. Just all stuff here, shopping trolleys, loads of them. Devil. Another, yeah, traffic cone. It's quite boggy here. I had trouble making my way through this lot, so it's all a bit mushy. I'm sort of standing on some sticks at the moment. Let's see how we get on, eh? I might have to give up big blue barrels that you could make a raft with, because I might have to do that. I've got to shoot the rapids soon here, because it's getting a bit wet. There's almost a river here, and I don't know what that is. Very early microwave or something. Not sure. Or a washing machine. There's another drain. This one, you can see the height the track used to be here, because it drops down quite a bit there. Right. There's the drain. Look through there. There's the footbridge, just up there. Oh, it's a bit messy getting through there. Or underneath the little footbridge. And it's extremely wet here. We'll keep going. So we get any further. Yeah, that's handy. Somewhere to sit down on the way. Right, that's the little bridge. There's the drain underneath. Not that the water's going down it much, I think that's a sewer. And this up ahead, they've built an embankment there, and I think that's where they've just built Martells' new storage place in the back of there. So. Alright, geese. Alright, leave it. See you later. Great big place, that. Huge. Rubbish. It looks very wet down this side. Let's get over and have a look. Ah, fenced off. Right, well this is the end of the line for me then. End of the line. Right, this is where the railway, the London to East Grinstead, it terminates at East Grinstead, but it comes past here. This is where the old track used to rejoin onto the low level line back in the day, and just a tad flooded and a little bit icy. So there you go. That is it really. This is where the cycle lane could come out, rejoin another cycle route which is a head over that bridge, and goes on through to another estate, which would be brilliant for connecting up East Grinstead without going on the road. There you go. Okay, bye bye. See you again soon.